Okay, still the 30th of August today, and I'm Ross Perry, and this time we're here with Rachel to recheck a couple of our friend Pat's ibises. They're not really hers, but she's been the carer and Rachel's helping out today. So, hello. You want to be first? Eh? You want to be first? Alright, you can be first. Alright. Okay, this is the ibis that had a broken lower leg. These birds are also got squirty bums, and they stink more than a duck when they do squirt. So we try to make sure that there is plenty of towel around the backside. When you're handling wild birds, the restraint of them is critical in whether you struggle or you have a job at hand. So I like to make life as easy for me as possible. I do extend calm. This birdie is the one from memory that we had to re-break the leg here. It had been bent like that, and we straightened it and twisted it at the same time. So we will start cleaning up. I like these stitch removing scissors for this procedure. We're undoing the vet wrap. And this birdie had a, we put this cast on about the 3rd of August, was it? Something like that? 12th of August. So it's now been on 12th of August, so it's been on about 2 weeks and a bit. So we're going to recheck it. If it's only been on that long, I'm inclined to keep it on. Now, Hexalite or Vetlite, this is Vetlite, is a heat sensitive casting material. It's waterproof and it's a wonderful improvement on plaster of Paris. However, it is quite challenging to remove, and I find these podiatry nail clippers and a lot of patience is the way to go. At least on birds. A lot of patience, so here's one bit. Now, alright. There's a bit more and a bit more. Alright, little one, okay, not hurting you really. Right. You have to use quite a lot of force cutting. Okay. Little ibis, be good, be good, be good, be good, be good. Now, will we keep cast on or will we take it off? I'll take it off and inspect on how things are going first of all. We're coming to the what's called the Cutinova Hydro part of the dressing. That's this gel like stuff called Cutinova Hydro, and the cotton wool like stuff that I'm cutting through is called Soft Band. It's a waterproof thing in terms that it doesn't stay soggy Okay. Right, the splinter's off. Now, take this bit off. Take that bit off. Alright. Okay. And we've got a big improvement on what there was. And it is feeling firm because this is a young ibis and it's growing very, very quickly. Okay. Alright. Got a little bit of rotation, a little bit of deformity, but a big improvement on what there was. So, because the birdie's growing so rapidly, I'm inclined to let this little one have a walk around and we'll see what's going on. That's just dry blood. It can come off like that, like a scab. And we did have a little wound down the side here which is healed over. If you remember, we tissue glued it across there. Alright, my little friend, you can have a walk around. Here you are. Now you're going to do blotting. We'll have to pick up after you. Let's see how you go. Over there. Have a walk. Oh, no, there's the first blot. Gee, it didn't take long, did it? Hey. You walk strangely for a little while. Okay, can you grab some paper off the roll behind you?
Battery in this is dying too.
Right, okay. Thanks. I'll go down and get her. Simpy.